Hi everyone! In this video, I will tell you how to install Moonbot on your PC. First of all, you must go to the website of the bot. The link is available in the description of the video. Click on Download Zip Archive and wait for the download to complete. Open the archive. Next, you need to copy the archive files to a separate folder. After that, you can run the exe file of the bot. I recommend running it in administrator mode. After launch, you will see the terms of agreement. You can choose between the Russian or English language version. If you're satisfied with the agreement, check the box and click OK. Now you need to connect the bot to your Exchange account, get a pair of API keys and the API secret. To do this, go to the Exchange. I will show you how to do it in the example of Binance. Go to your account, then the API management section. Next, you need to create the API keys. Think up a name for them and click Create. Depending on how you connect to the Exchange, via SMS or Google Authenticator, you need to confirm the creation of the keys and you'll receive a letter in your email inbox. In the letter, press Confirm and this window will open up here. Here you can see the API key and the API secret. For the first time, the API secret will also be in text format. I recommend saving these keys in a separate file in order not to lose them, because you will no longer be able to see the API secret. Next, you need to copy the API key and paste it into the bot. Do the same with the API secret. An important point: if you connect to Bittrex, then choose Bittrex in the bot. If you connect to Binance, then choose Binance. After that, you need to click Register API keys. Then, the bot will connect to the Exchange, and instead of a connection error, you will see ready on the screen. Now, you can start using Moonbot.